Well, you know what's coming. I ran into a snag. I did not expect to have to replace my the rear sway bar links. So I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to replace the gas cap. I know that's really simple, but just in case, this might be a stupid post. I don't care. If you need to know how to replace a gas cap on a Lexus GX470, maybe you've never done anything mechanical in your life and you're even scared to do that, this is for you. What do I have? What do I have here? What do I have? I have my new gas cap. Alright, so super simple. Open your gas lid. I know it's not very light over here, not a whole lot of light going on. This one looks fairly new, but it's not clicking save anymore. You can immediately fill the gap, and it's just not going to do. So, undo it. I mean, this looks almost identical to the one I'm putting in. This little tab is going to come out. It literally just pulls out. You're not going to break anything, okay? Yes, I'm holding this in my mouth for sound frame. New one. Identical. Pops right in that hole. New one screws in. Voila. Now, if you've got lights on and you don't have a code reader, go disconnect your battery, leave it for about 10 minutes, and then crank it back, and you should have your VSC track and all the check engine lights and everything gone. So, if you wanted to know how to change out the little gas cap, that's how simple it is. Pull, plug, play. Good to go. Till next time, God bless.